everyone, welcome back. This is Lavanya and you're watching Techie Talk, where you'll get most valuable information. So as usual, today I'm back with a very interesting topic, that is, what are the top 5 programming languages in 2022. So we are gonna see what are the top 5 languages. If you opt, your career will boom like a shine. Before we go there, smash the subscribe button and hit a like button for this video. So those who haven't subscribed to Techie Talk yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel without fail. So now let's get started into the top 5 programming languages in 2022. There are a lot of new programming languages this year where you should keep your eye, and we are going to have a discussion around. This video is going to be obviously little bit more than just ranking the languages and also showing you the names of theirs, and there is a little bit of my perspective added on top of that. So hope you guys are interested, right, to know what are the top 5 programming languages. Let's get on. So before we go ahead and pick the spot numbers for this video, I'm going to give my 2 cents of advice that is going to change your perspective about programming language. Nobody ever enjoyed programming language by writing it loops, its function. Yes, obviously we do that all day in our day-to-day life. So as a programmer, his roles and responsibilities is to mostly implement functions, classes, variables and loops to make the product or application work in a proper way. But that's not where you find the true potential of a language. So all I am saying is go on step 2. The step 1 is to learn basics of a programming language, loop functions and classes and variables, and solving small programs. So with that, what happens is you will truly enjoy programming. So if you are able to solve a scenario, or if you are able to solve a problem, then is where you get the interest to code. Basically, a scenario is given to you. That is, if you take an example, find the largest number in an array, or find the second largest number in an array. Initially we will struggle to find out how, but slowly when you think and put your concentration on it, and if you find the right solution step by step, if you are able to solve it, and if you succeed in solving one program, from next onwards you will get a motivation that I have to solve similar kind of problems in many ways. So now coming to top 5 programming language in 2022 is, number 5 in the list is Go or Golang. Most of the people prefer it to call as Golang. So we can say that this Golang language is growing very hot in this year. So it's already in production with so many of applications implemented in. So most of the companies has opted to implement their application with the help of this Golang language. So I would recommend, if you are starting your career or you are trying to restart your career, then make sure you try to learn this most hot and trending language in the market. So if you learn Golang and upgrade your skills, you can get interview calls. You can clear an interview very easily, because interview process will also not be so tedious. It will be very simple because you have learnt a language and you are able to answer in the interview. So that's why I suggest, if you are restarting your career, or if you are a fresher who wanted to get a job, and if you wanted to learn something new, and if you are an tech savvy person, then make sure you utilize this Golang opportunities. So top number 4 in the list is Rust. So what is Rust? So this Rust is a system programming language that runs very fast. We can say it as a blazing fast as well, which is used for preventing seg faults and guarantees thread safety. So what happens is, this Rust is most popular language which gives many features by using this. It guarantees the thread safety, memory safety without using the garbage collector. So what happens is, by avoiding this garbage collector, the Rust provides numerous benefits such as cleanup of resources, and overhead of memory management is taken care by this Rust. So you can also utilize this Rust. You can also learn this Rust and get job very easily, because this is one of the booming programming language in 2022. So most of the companies have this Rust programming language implementing in their applications, and they are looking for candidates. And also, to with respect to position wise, there are huge positions in the market opened. So the experience level they are expecting is around 1 to 3, and also freshers are welcomed if they are well trained and or able to solve the interview in a very smooth process and able to do their work independently. So if you are a fresher, then make sure you learn this Rust. But only learning is not enough. Try to solve some programs, or try to mold you in a way that if you face an interview, you have to clear it. So in that way, you have to get prepared. So top number 3 in the list is Java or Kotlin. So as we discussed in our previous videos, Java is a evergreen technology. So whoever is learning Java, for sure they will land up in a job in 1 or 2 months, because the open positions for this Java are huge. Most of the applications in all the IT companies, for sure 50% will be on Java only, and the candidates required for one application will be around 100 or 200 based on the application size. So open positions will also be huge. And if you see the current market, we have lot of openings for backend developer for Java.net. So in that, if you compare with other technologies, Java will be more and higher ranked. So I prefer, if you wanted to restart your career and if you were non-technical background earlier and also now you are trying to switch into IT background, you have to opt Java. That I can assure. If you learn Java, you will be able to get job very easily. So guys, I hope you understood. You can learn Java, and apart from Java, you can show some interest on Kotlin also. This is also one of the hot trending programming language in current 2022. Number 2 in the list is PHP is a scripting language. So this also has been old language only, but the market trend is same as earlier also. So it's also equal to Java. Like how Java the demand is, for PHP also the demand is same. So you can opt this PHP also to upgrade your skills and get a job. So it's based on your interest level which language to opt. Java is a completely backend language. So if you're not interested with backend, then you can choose a scripting language like PHP or JavaScript. Number 1 in the list is Typescript. So now currently the IT market has been ruled by scripting languages like Typescript, and also we use React and Node. These are the most of the trending jobs where they don't find right candidate for their positions. Most of the companies are looking for candidates, but they are not able to get the candidates. If there are 10 open positions, they are able to fill only 5. So guys, this is the right opportunity. If you learn Typescript, you can get a job in React, or you can go to Angular latest version or any. So you can choose multiple profiles. I recommend you to learn Typescript. For Typescript, the prerequisite is to learn JavaScript. So if you learn little bit of JavaScript and then learn TypeScript, you can opt any one of the profile, either as an Angular developer or as an React developer. So guys, in IT industry now, the most trending jobs are based on this React developer, Angular developer, full stack developer. So if you enhance your skills in any one of these programming language, definitely you will be able to land up in a job in another 1 or 2 months once you start enhancing. So never ever think that I will not be able to get a job. You will be able to get a job if you learn the right programming skill and if you try to find a job in an enthusiastic way. Always keep attending the interviews, always keep upgrading your skills, and always keep solving some of the programming languages. Then one fine day definitely you will be able to land up in a job. So guys, these are the 5 programming languages which are most trending in 2022. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and you haven't subscribed to Techie Talk, make sure you subscribe to our channel without fail. So I'll meet you with another interesting video. Until then, bye.